We're here at Mobile World Congress 2012, just talking to the guys from Sony about their new releases, and I'm just going to hand you over now.
Hi James, my name is Carl-Jan Dahlström, working at the Head of Developer Relations at Sony Mobile Communications. I'm here to talk about a phone called Xperia P. Xperia P is a unibody phone with a minimalistic design of aluminum unibody design. It has a 4-inch screen with a new Sony technology called white magic that makes this phone and the camera, the screen, twice as bright and twice as power efficient.
Is that white magic?
It's called white magic, the technology from Sony. It's actually hardware technology to make it twice as bright on the screen. Actually, what it does, now since we're getting into the technical channels here, it has a subpixel, a white subpixel to every pixel there. So normally you have red, green, and blue colors to every pixel, but for this one we actually have a white subpixel to everyone, which means that we can have up to 900 candelas on the screen, which is the brightest screen ever that I know of on a mobile phone. So actually then, if you're out in really high light conditions like in sunlight, etc., you don't have to tweak the device like this to see. You have the best screen out there for this one. And also, if you look at the design, it follows something from the Xperia Next series of design, a human curvature design, a little bit of minimalistic design, where you have something called transparent belt here at the bottom of the phone. Actually, in this belt here, there is actually signals passing through to the antenna part at the bottom here. So this part is actually the antenna, and that goes across the whole Xperia Next series of devices. So that gives a little bit about the imaginary touch and magical touch to the phone itself.
Okay, lovely.
So if you look at the specs, because I see you going there, if you want me to continue,
yes, please.
then you have, this is a dual-core 1 GHz processor running in this one, based on the XDALegacy U8500 platform. It also has a Mali 400 GPU. Of course, it's running at 400 megahertz, the GPU, the same GPU as some of our top competitors' handsets as well. So it has the real power and the performance that you desire from a phone like this, with a stylish design. And
PlayStation certified?
this one is not PlayStation certified, unfortunately.
Is there any plans to bring it in to certify it?
It is always an ongoing discussion with Sony to see if it will get there, but so far this is not PlayStation certified. PlayStation certified, we have Xperia S and Xperia Ion, and of course Xperia Play.
And how about the internal memory and external ports?
In this one you have 16 gigabytes of internal memory, 1 gigabyte of RAM, so we have all the great things to get the best power and the best performance you can out of a smartphone.
And adaptable external memory, or are we just talking the 16?
No, it's only the 16, it's built-in memory in this one.
And if we talk about development quickly, obviously we like to know about unlocked bootloaders. So we're wondering if there are any plans to unlock the bootloader, or indeed if you have a roadmap in the works.
Indeed, this is, thanks for asking that question, it's a personal experience for me about unlocked bootloaders, since I've been very active with the XDA community before. We have announced that we will, at the XDA forum last week, that we have a beta ROM for our 2011 lineup coming out, and we released a beta ROM just last Thursday. So, and these phones will also feature unlocked bootloader feature. That comes along with the caveat that if they are operate as SIM-locked, then you cannot unlock them. It's always a business discussion.
Okay, so if it's network-locked, SIM-locked to a network, it won't have an unlocked bootloader, but if you buy a GSM unlocked, SIM-free, it will come with an unlocked bootloader.
Actually, a lot of operators leave the SIM-lock off nowadays, so that's why I can't give you a straight answer. So, but most of the phones actually are possible to unlock.
Okay, thank you very much. The Xperia U, is that correct, yes? Tell us a little bit about it.
Xperia U, if you look at the Xperia U, it's all, the name says it all. It's about you. It's about personalization. So, as you imagined before, it has the same Xperia Next kind of minimalistic design to it. Follows the human curvature. And you see here the design and the size of it. So, here you have a 4-inch screen, and here you have a 3.5-inch screen. They're running the same processor and the same platform underneath, where you have the U8500 platform from XDALegacy and the GPU of Mali 400, of course, running on this one. So you have the performance. But here we have also been working very much on how you personalize your own feelings and a little bit of the imaginary and magical part of it. So actually here the antenna part can be exchanged to different colors to personalize the hardware of the phone itself. It also has an illumination part to it. So if we just go into the gallery here, you would see, if I go in here, that the transparent belt here actually follows a little bit of the colors of the dominant in the pictures to have this really nice touch to it. So you have all the great things in here, and of course, like Xperia P, you would be able to unlock the phone as well with Unlock Bootloader to see all the great things that you are cooking at the XDA forums as well.
I think the light sensor down at the bottom there will be a nice touch. I think that developers could work with that quite well.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it is all about your imagination, what you can do with the phones going forward.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your time.
Yeah,
thank you.